Welcome to Moon Vibes, your daily source of crypto news, delivered with just the right amount of chill. Moon Vibes only. Now here's your host, Crypto Kyle.
Hey, good morning and welcome to the show. Guys, I can't believe it. I just recorded a whole episode audio-wise, but I forgot to turn on my camera, which is too bad because you guys missed a couple blunders. But here we are. We're back. Moon Vibes Podcast. Happy to have you. If you're listening in its usual form on, Apple, Spotify, wherever you enjoy listening to podcasts, welcome back. If you're enjoying this visual elements on YouTube, thanks for tuning in as well. For you OG listeners, the videos are now being posted on YouTube, despite or in spite of any sort of technical difficulty. They will be available on YouTube going forward. So happy to have you tune in over there. If you like to listen in the morning and you want to catch it later in the afternoon, recap it, or just take a look around the studio, it is pretty cool. I gotta say, I designed it, and I like it, so it's a good time. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the news. CoinGape.com reporting this morning that SOL, there's an SOL price prediction. Oh man, the first time was, I don't know if it was better, but it was a little bit smoother than this starting out. SOL price prediction, will Solana price break $120 next? Article goes on to say the SOL price remains pressured near the 2-week highs. On the daily chart, the formation of the doji candlesticks on Thursday after the bull's rejection near the higher levels suggests investors are not willing to give up on the coin easily. In a responsive action, the price once again tested the same level. This is a crucial level to trade, and to continue upside momentum, and acceptance of $120 is a must for the traders. So SOL price has lost almost 60% since November, and also tested the lows of $80 back in August. Further, by looking at the current price action, it can be said that in February, SOL could take out the inflection point at $141.19. This would be an upside of 16% in SOL price from the current levels. Next, the market participants could gather the momentum to take out the $175 horizontal resistance zone. So, all of you SOL lovers, you are not SOL, or so many people think. I know that's a terrible joke, but the future is looking bright, guys. And if we can get through this mini bear market, or even bear market, whatever we're headed into, who knows? Things are looking up for a lot of these projects, and I believe SOL is one of them. BSCnews.com reporting this morning, or BSC.news rather, PancakeSwap to update lottery rounds with price injections. User sentiment has been taken into account by the team, and PancakeSwap has hosted a series of changes that are to be implemented. PancakeSwap's lottery revamp. PancakeSwap has announced a series of changes to its lottery feature that will see more concentrated rounds and prize injections, resulting in the potential for winners to pick up even higher prizes. In its official Medium publication on February 3rd by Chef Bun, I don't know how I'm supposed to say that, confirmation came that one of the PancakeSwap's most popular features is set to see most lottery rounds take place every 36 hours with an injection on average of 35,000 cake per week. PancakeSwap outlined 3 main concerns for the imminent change. Oh, I hate that word. Our community would love to have a longer game duration. Ticket sales are generally concentrated at rounds with prize injection, and the size of the total prize pool is an important factor to draw more participants. So if that's something you like to do, that's some pretty cool updates. I'll keep the article posted in the podcast notes. All right. All eyes on Asia. Cointelegraph.com reporting this morning from Singapore to Thailand and Indonesia. Asia's crypto landscape continues to thrive unabated by China's sudden crackdown. A fundamental trait of crypto is an asset class that transcends jurisdictions, yet one of the key hubs driving adoption and innovation is Asia. Since the heady days of Korea Kimchi's premium and Bitcoin BTC arbitrage opportunities, the region is playing a role in defining crypto's development pathways and anchoring its future. According to Chain Analysis Report, for the first half of 2021, Asia was already the destination for 28% of the overall global transaction volume. 1.16 trillion worth of cryptocurrency. Central and Southern Asia alone saw crypto transactions grow 706% year over year, making it the world's fastest growing region. So, great article. Goes on to say, a new chapter without China. China's stance on crypto is not unexpected, given the country's long-standing policy of capital control, while the pace of recent enforcement took many in our industry by surprise. Players have, to their credit, adapted swiftly. Miners resettled in Kazakhstan and the United States, with the exchanges and traders settling in Singapore and Hong Kong. Once again, that article will be posted in the podcast notes. All right. Nike sues StockX over latest NFTs. It has been less than a month since we first covered the online sneakerhead and hypebeast cultural hub StockX and their first formal foray into NFTs. Bitcoinist.com goes on to report, but what does this truly mean and how StockX would fully implement it with their new way to recognize ownership. Of course, before this happens, StockX will face more uphill battles as leading apparel firm Nike is filing a lawsuit against the platform for unauthorized trademark usage. What do we know? Federal lawsuit centered on the brand dilution. Nike filed their suit this week in the Southern District of New York, claiming that the Vault program uses Nike trademarks without approval. The complaint reads, Nike did not approve or authorize StockX's Nike brand Vault NFTs. Those unsanctioned products are likely to confuse consumers, create a false association between those products and Nike, and dilute Nike's famous trademarks. Nike complaints replicate a common critique in POV. Of course, StockX critics in the early days of the Vault program have expressed much disdain around the degree of centralization within the Vault. The platform's terms of service state that an NFT in the Vault program can essentially be redeemed from the owner's hands at any time for an experiential component at the platform's sole discretion. Doesn't sound congruent with the aspects of true ownership we typically associate with NFTs. That being said, this Florida home that you see pictured here on this article will become the first in the U.S. that we know of anyways to be sold as an NFT. This home is located in Gulfport, Florida, and will be the first home in the U.S. to be auctioned off as an NFT. The starting price for the four-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a garden suite is $650,000. Proppy, known for selling TechCrunch founder Michael Arrington's home as an NFT, is hosting the February 8th auction. Of course, we know NFTs have primarily been used as a means of art distribution, PFPs, and yes, even money laundering. But now we have this home for sale. Now, that's a little out of my price range at this time. Look at my studio. The rent is atrocious. I'm not even close to being able to, go after this home. But if you are, February 8th, you got a couple days, depending on where you're at. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the market recap. Bitcoin currently at $41,568, up 9% on the week. We have Ethereum at $3,006, up 14.65% on the week. We have BNB up 8.15% at $417. We have Cardano at $1.12, up just under 5% on the week. Solana, $114.86, up 19.30% on the week. XRP at 66 cents, up 7.88% on the week. Terra Luna at $55.18, up 9.77% on the week. Polkadot up 13.23% on the week at $21.38. Dogecoin up 2.94% at 14 cents. We have Avalanche at $77.46, up 9.45% on the week. Polygon Matic up 2.99% at $1.73. Shiba Inu up 3.25% at 0.40's 2268. And we have Crypto.com or CRO Coin up 4.82% on the week at 45 cents. Well, guys, that does it for the market recap. Once again, thanks for tuning in to Moon Vibes Podcast. Always a podcast first, but if you're tuning in on YouTube, let me know what you think about the studio. Let me know what you think about, what we have going on over here. Still have to create the, digital or virtual or video aspects of the intro and outros, but we will get there. Guys, feel free to jump in and become part of the community that I'm in. If you're looking for a home, all sorts of things going on. Of course, we have the Yacht Club. We have, we're really surrounded by some really great people in the Yacht Club and beyond. We have great community spaces on Twitter. If you're in crypto and you don't have a Twitter, you may want to change that immediately. So that's all I have for you today. Have a great rest of your day. And, if I don't see you in any spaces this evening, as always, I will talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks for listening to Moon Vibes. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the podcast, please share it with others. Post about it on social media. Visit our sponsor and affiliate links in the description, or leave a rating and review. Be sure to follow your host on Twitter at CryptoKyleMQT. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.